So for this question, they asked you to sketch the R region and then switch the order of integrations. So before I start, I just want to remind you that dx dy is a horizontal rectangle and dy dx is a vertical rectangle. I'm gonna start that dy is outside, so your lower bound, your upper bound for y will be from 1 to 10, and your x is from 0 to natural log of y. So now you have an equation right here for an upper bound is x equal natural log of y. Alright, so I'm gonna draw the picture of the region R. So you have for the y from 0 to 10, so you have 0, 10 up here, so you have a horizontal line 10, and then you will have a lower bound, upper bound for x. So lower bound for x is 0, and then the upper bound is an equation of x equal natural log of y. So it'll be something like this. This is x equal natural log of y, and you have a horizontal rectangle. Okay, so now this is your picture, and they asked you to switch the order of integrations. So if you were to switch this specific picture here, you will have an equation right here, the line right here, 0 to 10. So this line right here is in term of y. I'm gonna solve it for y. So x equal natural log of y. I'm going to exponentiate both sides, so you get y equal e to the x. So this line right here is y e to the x. So you have a horizontal rectangle, and the bound for x, lower bound and upper bound for x is from 0 to this point right here, which we don't know yet. We're going to find that point. It's going to be the intersection of this line, y equal 10, and e to the x. So this is y equal 10 and e to the x. So I'm going to set both equations to equal to each other. So you get 10 equal e to the x, and and to solve for x, I'm just gonna natural log both sides, take the natural log both sides. So the natural log and the exponential cancel, so you get natural log of 10 equal x. So right here, at this point right here, is natural log of 10. So you have the lower bound from 0 to upper bound of natural log of 10. And the lower bound is the lower curve, and the top curve is the x or y equal 10. So you have e to the x to 10. Now you can just rewrite the integrals from integral f of xy dy dx. Lower bound for x is from 0 to natural log of 10, and lower bound for y is from e to the x to 10.